Hey now, so it's your girl A. I come at you guys today with a review. GoBeautyny.com purchase, of course. So I purchased the Sensational Instant Pony Perm Yaki 24 inch. Here is her stock card. And I have it in the color 1B. This is going to be a natural style ponytail. I figured I would give you guys a ponytail because I haven't done one in a while. And if you're interested in the wig that I have on right now, this is Free Choice Part 204. So let me just take out this ponytail. This is a drawstring ponytail, so it's going to be pretty simple, quick, and easy. So this is from their Instant Pony line. She comes in many other colors, as you guys can see here on the placard. So let me go ahead and take the stuffing out and things. Ooh, she's really a Yaki. Okay then. I don't know, my hair is still kind of straight underneath, so we'll see how this holds up. See if it looks pretty natural with my texture hair. So like I said, this is a drawstring ponytail. So you get your drawstring. So let's see here. Oh, it covers quite a bit. So there is the, yeah, it stretches quite a bit. So you're going to have your two combs here, of course, and then that drawstring. So let's see here. And there's that Yaki texture. It's truly a Yaki texture. This is like the braiding hair. So just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and get my hair prepped all from underneath this wig, and then we're going to throw this baby on.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could put down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be forced. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be forced on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Tell me that it's time. Oh yes, I wanna be down. I wanna be down, yeah. Down with you, down with you. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could put down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be forced. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be forced on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no
Yaki Pony installed. I really love the way it feels. It's very nice and soft. And if you guys hear anything in the background, that is my son snoring. They are out for spring break, so I gotta get it in when I can get it in, okay? So yeah, this is the 24-inch Yaki pony from Sensational. I really like this. It's definitely so cute. I just added a little bit of hair jewelry to where I to the braids I added, and that's really all about it. If you're wondering about any hair care products that I use, I will leave them in the description box. But right now my favorite is this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair extra hold edge stay gel. This stuff is the bomb, okay? Because my hair has I've recently got it got a Dominican blowout, I want to say maybe about 3 weeks ago, and it's still, you know, kind of straight. So I haven't, you know, wet it yet or reverted it back yet, but I definitely will be doing so. But I was like, before I do it, let me go ahead and get a ponytail style in, because it's a little easier for me to do the ponytail styles when my hair is kind of straight, because when my hair isn't as when it's curly, it is so hard for me to do a ponytail, okay? But yeah, this, I am feeling like Queen Nefertiti with this. I'm loving this ponytail. Y'all know me. I typically go for the drawstring ponytails that are like, you know, long and glamorous and just extra. But this one is extra enough for me. I am loving it. Let me show you guys how long it is on me. I'm 4'10". And so this 24-inch is 24 inches, baby. And it swings around. So of course, you know, you don't have to necessarily go with this particular style. You can definitely swoop it to the side if you wanted a side ponytail type of thing going. You can do that as well. So yeah, this is really super cute. I really like it. Great for the summertime. It's very lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's not too thin. It's perfectly thick, and I love it. Very natural feeling and looking. So if you're interested in this wig, of course I will leave the purchase link down below to GoBeautyny.com. Definitely check out my other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below. Let me know if you want more ponytail styles, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.